A Makeswell custom build. We're running through the toolpaths here for a Jurassic Park sign. Pull Focus is a friend of mine who does Twitch streaming. Making a sign for him. Got 118,000 lines of code on this one. Starting out with a 1/4 inch bit, doing mostly material removal, and then running down into a 1/8 and then a 1/16 inch bit for that detail. So you'll see the way the bit gets a little bit deeper into those cuts each time with a smaller radius. Really love how those details come out as it moves along. That 1/16 bit gets where the other bits can't get to. Really shows on this detail here with the claws and the teeth. Yeah, really happy with how this turned out. So this wood is made out of medieval walnut. We got an exclusive local supplier here. It's an exotic hardwood. Really holds together nice for these detailed cuts, not too much chipping, and the color is just gorgeous. You'll see when I add that coat of stain at the end, the way the colors really pop. The last step of the build, running a 60-degree V-bit for that line down the letters. Just really adds that final detail to make it look just like that Jurassic Park text. Really happy with this sign, really happy with the way it came out, and here's the final product.